Tioga County's health department is advising residents that multiple cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, have been reported in Tioga County and across New York State. Tioga officials want to remind residents of symptoms, including early symptoms like a low-grade fever, apnea, and babies and young children turning blue or purple. Later symptoms include the distinctive cough, vomit during or after coughing fits, and a struggle to breathe. If you think you or your child has whooping cough, or if you have further questions, you're encouraged to contact your healthcare provider or Tioga County Public Health.